So it's been a long time that I have visited my favorite coffee place. So I tried to create my own version of coffee recipes to satisfy my cravings for coffee. Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Koyena, and in today's video I am going to share my favorite cold coffee recipes. So without further delay, let's get started. So for the first recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder. You can use any brand, your favorite brand that is. And there you have to add 2 tablespoons of warm water and mix them both to make a decoction out of it. Warm water actually allows the coffee to blend in perfectly with other ingredients. And then you have to pour this mixture into your juicer mixer. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have used sweetened cocoa powder. Then add few ice cubes. And then I'm adding 1 cup of chilled milk. And then I have de-seeded some dates here. Make sure you grind these before putting into the juicer. It will act as a natural sweetener. And then because I have a sweet tooth, I like things more sweet. So I'm adding 1 jaggery candy over here, and it goes for blending. Now here you have to garnish the mug or jar wherever you want to drink your coffee. And I basically suck at it. So yeah, this coffee is all frothy and nice looking. So you have to pour the coffee, and here it goes. I have added some chocolate syrup onto it. This is just for like garnishing and fancy purpose. Now for the second recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Mine got lumpy due to the moisture in air, so it looks like half tablespoon. And you have to add 2 tablespoons of warm water to make the decoction. Add ice cubes to it. I am adding 1 cup of chilled milk. Chilled milk actually brings the froth into the coffee. And again, I'm adding the jaggery thing here. I like it sweet, so yeah, that's why too. Now here comes my king, Oreo biscuits. Who doesn't love Oreo? Now I'm adding 2 Oreos here. You can add as many as you want. Make sure you break the Oreo so that it gets blended into properly. Yeah, it's... Now after garnishing your mug or glass or jar wherever you want to drink your coffee from, you have to pour this delicious thing, and this is looking like this. I have added some Oreo crumbs and chocolate syrup on top of it. Yes, so heading towards the next recipe. Now this is more of an iced coffee rather than cold coffee. You have to make black coffee out of warm water and instant coffee powder. Make sure you mix this properly so that there are no lumps present, and don't dilute it much. Now after mixing it properly, you have to pour this into ice molds so that you can make coffee ice cubes out of it. And here I am being extra careful to pour this because I have a white sheet underneath. So you also be careful. I'm really sorry for this weird angle. I'll try to do better next time, and these are ready to get into the freezer. Now, depending upon your freezer, your coffee will turn into coffee ice cubes, and once it's made, you have to detach those cubes from the mold and put it into the glass or jar from wherever you're drinking it from. And you have to add 1 cup of milk that should be room temperature, and this will be your iced coffee. No, it's not ready yet. You have to add a sweetener as per your taste. I'm adding sugar here because jaggery has its own taste and it will not be tasting good here. So yes, sugar for this one. Also, you can make your very own iced Americano. You just have to pour this coffee cubes and add room temperature water. The water that you drink, you have to add that, and some sweetener, of course. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.